Linux Mint 22. 3 versus Windows 11. Is it worth switching? Choosing between Linux Mint 22, 3 and Windows 11 is one of the most significant decisions a computer user can make, and it is a question more people are asking as Windows 11 continues to push hardware requirements subscription services and interface changes that not everyone welcomes. Linux Mint 22. 3 is the latest release of one of the most beginner-friendly Linux distributions available, while Windows 11 remains the dominant operating system for personal and business computing worldwide. This comparison breaks down how each system performs so you can decide whether making the switch actually makes sense for you. Linux Mint 22. 3 is a free open source operating system that builds on the stability of Ubuntu while delivering a clean and familiar desktop experience designed to feel comfortable for users coming from Windows. The Cinnamon desktop environment, which is the most popular edition, offers a traditional layout with a taskbar, start menu, and system tray that reduces the adjustment period for new users significantly. Version 22. 3 brings refinements to the system settings, improved hardware compatibility, and updates across its core applications, making it the most polished release the Mint team has produced to date. It runs efficiently on older and mid-range hardware, making it an excellent option for users who want to extend the life of machines that no longer meet Windows 11's requirements. Linux Mint 22. 3 is best suited for users who want a stable, private, and cost-free computing environment without being dependent on a single commercial platform. Windows 11 is Microsoft's current flagship operating system, designed to deliver a modern computing experience with deep integration across Microsoft's ecosystem of services and applications. It offers the most comprehensive software compatibility of any operating system, supporting virtually every professional, creative, and gaming application available. Its interface has been redesigned with a centered taskbar, updated settings panel, and tighter integration with Microsoft 365, Teams, and the Microsoft Store. However, Windows 11 has drawn criticism for its strict hardware requirements, mandatory Microsoft account setup, increasing amounts of built-in advertising, and the growing push towards subscription-based services. Despite these concerns, it remains the most practical choice for users who depend on specific Windows-only software or who work in environments where Microsoft compatibility is essential. Windows 11 is best suited for professionals, gamers, and businesses that require maximum software compatibility and deep Microsoft ecosystem integration. Each comparison, Linux Mint 22, 3 and Windows 11 represent two fundamentally different philosophies about what an operating system should be. Mint prioritizes freedom, cost efficiency, and stability, giving users a reliable system they fully control. Windows 11 prioritizes compatibility, ecosystem integration, and familiarity for the broadest possible audience at the cost of increasing commercial influence over the user experience. The right choice depends on what software you rely on and how much control you want over your computing environment. Final thoughts: if you are frustrated with Windows 11's hardware requirements, privacy concerns, or increasing subscription pressure, and you do not rely on Windows-specific software, Linux Mint 22. 3 is a genuinely excellent alternative that is worth switching to. If you depend on Microsoft Office-specific professional tools or AAA gaming titles and need maximum compatibility, Windows 11 remains the most practical choice despite its frustrations. The decision ultimately comes down to what your computing life actually requires, and how much you value independence from a commercial operating system.